boys and girls, it's Mrs. Toman. It's math time again, where we're going to learn to count and we're going to learn numbers. Today, we're going to go over the number 5 again. All right, let's review. Okay, boys and girls, here we go. 2, 3, 5, 4, 4, 2, 1, 3, 3, 4, 1, 5, 1, 3, 2, 5, 4, 5, 2, 1. All right, so for our next review, we're going to need these number cards. We're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to go over how to write them. All right, so if you want, you can pause the video and go get your number cards if you don't have them already. All right, so you need a marker and your dry erase marker and your dry eraser. All right, so here we go. We start at the top, straight line down, then we're done. That's the way we write a 1. Okay, let's try it again. Straight line down, then we're done. That's the way we write a 1. Okay, erase it and let's put it off to the side here. And we're going to get the number 2. You're going to start here, go around and back on the railroad track. That's how we make a 2, 2, 2. Let's erase it. Try it again. Around and back on the railroad track. That's how we make a 2, 2, 2. Okay, let's put that up here. And next we have a 3. Very good job. Around a tree, around a tree. That's how we write a 3. Erase it. These are always so good. If you're like having a hard time, you can just take these out and keep practicing them over again, over and over and over until you become experts. Let's try it again. Around a tree, around a tree. That's how we write a 3. Okay. And here we go. Down and over and down some more. That's how we write a 4. One more time. Down and over and down some more. That's how we write a 4. Okay. Put this over to the side. And last but not least, 5. You go down, around, then add a hat. There's your 5. How about that? Let's erase it. Going to start again. You're going to start here. You're going to go down, around, then add a hat. There's your 5. How about that? Okay. All right. So for the next one, you can do this now. I suggest you wait till after the video is over to play this game. Right now you can just watch and then you can play this game after. All these videos, I'm showing you a lot of different games that you can play with the materials that you don't necessarily have to play now. You can wait till the video is over and you can play whenever you want. They're just fun games to play. So here's this. Let's see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to have a 4 and you're going to match it. 4 and 4. They're just the same way to make, different ways to make 4. Okay, so put that on top of there and I'll move over. And here. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to find the 3. I'm going to match it. 3 and 3. How many's there? That's right, 2. 1, 2. So I'm going to take the 2. I'm going to match them. How many's here? 1. Take the 1. I'm going to match it. Last but not least, 5. I know it's 5 because the whole bottom line is empty and the whole top line is filled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because there's 5 boxes on the top. There's the 5. Okay. You can either pause the video and play the game now, or you can continue watching the video and play later. It's up to you. Alright, boys and girls, for this game you're just going to watch. The directions say search and cover all the ways to show 5. Let's take a look. Is that a way to show 5? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it's 5 dots. That's a way to show 5. How about this? 1, 2, 3. No, that shows 3. See that? 1, 2, 3. No, that also shows 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shows 4. That's not 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And I should have known that without counting because the whole top line is filled and the whole bottom line is empty. Hey, that's a 4. I know that without even counting because no fingers are down, and I know I have 5 fingers on one hand. So I'm going to cover that. I'm not going to get mistaken again. All 5 are filled at the top line and all on the bottom line are empty. That's 5. That's 5. It's not going to trick me now. That's 5. 1, 2. That shows 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. When there's dots on the corners, all 4 corners, and 1 in the middle, you know that's a 5. Stick with red. Yep, that's a 5. 1, 2. Nope. All 5 fingers are up. That's a 5. That looks exactly like that. I counted it. That's a 5. All 5 fingers are up. That's a 5. That's a 5. No, I know that's 1. That's 1. That's 1, 2, 3. 2 are empty there. There's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 5. And that one's a 5. All right, that was fun. Okay, boys and girls, in your math folder, you're going to get out 1, 5. Here, it says 1, 5, 1.5. And it says add 5 dots to the 10 frame and the domino. This is what we're going to do first. Add 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I didn't even have to count. I just knew to do the whole top line. Forgetting. Okay, now the dominoes, I can do it so many different ways. I can put 1 here and the rest there, 2 here and the rest here, 3 here and the rest, 4, 5 and nothing. So I think I'm going to put, 2 here. So I'm going to put 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to count forward from 2 to find out the rest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me see. There's 1, 2 over here, 1, 2, 3 over here. So 2 and 3 is 5, or 3 and 2 is 5. All right, let's see how many fingers they're up. Yep, all 5 fingers are up. I'm going to color this brown. I think that's the closest to my color, skin color. And these are calculators. I'm going to color them blue. But 1, 2, 3. I know there's 3 of them, so I'm not going to take that much time in coloring them, because I'm not going to use them. You don't have to color them if you don't want to, but I said before I like coloring, so I'm going to color them. Alright, so step 1 is done. Step 2, we're going to cut out. Now, remember, thumb, index finger, middle finger in there. And you have your index finger. The finger that you point with, your pointer finger, is right here. So, let me go over it again. Sorry, it's for confusion. Middle finger and your thumb inside. The thumb is in the small part, the middle finger is in the big part, and then you put your pointer finger on there. This hand, the one that does not hold the scissors, is the one that holds the paper. Makes it nice and strong. No funky chickens. You don't want to be up here like this with bent elbows. No, your elbow is straight, your elbows are by your side, and you're not closing your scissors all the way. You're slowly cutting. Boys and girls, it doesn't have to be perfect. You're learning how to cut. I'd rather you try it on your own than it be perfect. I have been cutting a long time. So don't worry about being perfect, worry about being your best, doing your best, trying your hardest. Alright, so step 2 is done. I finished cutting this out. Okay, for step 3, you're going to need your green storybook. So I'm going to bring it here. Alright, so you did 2 on the orange. You did 3 on yellow. You did 4 in green, which was black there for some reason. So you're going to do 5. I thought the papers were sticking together, but they're not. On the blue. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to cut out our learning goal, which is I can identify and build the number 5. And then underneath of it, you're going to cut out the 10 frame. Show 5 dots in the 10 frame. You're going to put that underneath. Then you're going to cut out the domino. Cut out, I don't have underneath it. And then you're going to put your calculators to the side, and there you have it. So step 3 is done. And then step 4, you're going to put glue behind the paper you're going to glue on. And you're going to smooth it down. Boys and girls, as long as you're trying your best, mistakes are okay. Mistakes are going to happen. Mrs. Truman makes them every day. More than once, I'm sure.